Hello, fifth grade. Welcome to Tuesday. Today, I believe, would be the 21st. I'm actually going to try to get a lot of my videos done today. They are getting ready to paint the whole school because we're out a little bit early. They can do that early as well. So, in the next week, they're going to actually be taking down my whiteboards, which makes it a little difficult for me to write on them if they're not there. So I'm going to crank out a bunch of videos today if I can. Today is Tuesday. We're on 9.2. We are learning about ordered pairs. Now yesterday when we talked, I kind of introduced this already, and so today both your assignment and your station be a little bit of review, but some really good practice to make sure you understand what it is we'd like you to do with graphing. Okay, remember also to do your Tuesday warm-ups. Okay, so ordered pairs, the big thing to remember here. Let's go back to talking about our quadrants, right? A graph is, or a coordinate grid is split up into quadrants. Yesterday I told you that this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Importantly, you learn that in 6th grade, but your 5th graders, you'll be there soon. So it's always nice to look ahead just a little bit to make sure that we understand. Having coming into 6th grade with the prior knowledge is a good thing. Okay, so those are my quadrants. Remember, they make a C, which is an easy way to remember that. You start at 1, you make a C, go to 4. Okay, my graph, it goes. Actually, today they're not even going to use the whole coordinate grid. They're just going to use one of the quadrants. Okay, they're getting you into graphing. They're easing you in. Okay, so when I look at ordered pairs, I need to remember that X is horizontal. It goes, follow the horizon left to right. Y is vertical. It goes up and down. So what they want you to do is they are giving you some. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's call this A, B, C, D, E. What they basically want you to do is they want you to see if you can identify where each letter in the alphabet is at, okay? So if I look at A, remember I list X first and then Y. So A, let's draw some points in here, looking like this, and 1, 1, 1. Okay, here we go. So I go to A, okay? I go over to A, which is 1, 2, and then I go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I go over 2 and up 4, oh, come on, Mr. Bauer, get it right. Over 2 and up 4. That will get me to where A is at, okay? 2 and 4. I'm going to use different points while I'm describing these. That way when you do your assignment, you're going to have to think through them. I don't want to give you all the answers because you guys are pretty smart kiddos. Okay, so that's A. B. If I find B, it looks like I go over. Yeah, let's put B there because I went over 2 for A, which actually should be over a little bit. So B, I go over 1, up 2. So I'm going to put 1, 2. Okay. Let's jump to E. E, I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the X, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 up. So 5 and 3. I have just learned how to label my coordinate points, my ordered pair X and Y on my graph. That's what you're going to do today. Okay, let's jump into your station. For your station, it's called coordinate grid. Ordered pairs, it looks like this. For those of you that didn't grab a paper packet and you need to find it. Basically doing the same thing. They want you to label the points. So it gives you, for example, but it does it in reverse. It says number 1, it gives you 3, 1 as the point, and it asks you to find the letter of the alphabet that is at 3, 1. So I'm going to go over 3, 1, 2, 3, up 1. It's going to be this point. If F, it's a little hint, if F was there, then I would say, Mr. Bauer, that was point F. That's what I'm going to put on my assignment. Okay? On 9 through 13, it's going to say, okay, here's F. I want you to tell me what the ordered pair is that goes along with it, and then it's going to have you graph a couple of things. But pretty easy to understand. We've done a little bit of graphing in the past, so. Okay, that's all I have for today. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Goodbye.